Welcome to FSU's online open house, anywhere, anytime, and welcome to the College of Education. I am Marion Gillis-Olion, the Dean. We have over 800 students in our college becoming facilitators of learning. Our majors range from those preparing to teach infants and toddlers, elementary children, middle graders, and secondary students, as well as principals and other leaders in P-12 schools, higher education, and public health agencies. The courses in our programs are taught by experts in all four of FSU's colleges, not just the experts in the College of Education. It takes the entire university to create a teacher who is knowledgeable in content and pedagogy. You will be interacting with students of all majors, ages, races, ethnicities, and disciplines, as well as military-affiliated students. We also offer the only doctorate program at Fayetteville State University and the majority of the master's programs. Our educator preparation program is nationally accredited by the Council for the Accreditation of Educator Preparation, which means our graduates will be eligible for reciprocity with states outside of North Carolina. This is a very important feature of our program for our military students. Another very important fact is that our birth through kindergarten program was recently rated in the top 10 least expensive online programs in the country. 100% of our graduates each year have positions when schools start. Many of our students have a job prior to the commencement ceremony. We prepare our students for careers outside of the traditional school classroom setting as well. For example, our concentrations in community health education and sport management are growing fast and demonstrate the commitment of our College of Education programs to facilitating learning everywhere. Our focus on the success of students like you drives everything we do in our college. We have 2 professional advisors to help you stay on track. We have special programs like our Pathway to Teaching, a summer program to tutor you for licensure examinations. We have online and face-to-face courses to meet various learning styles, and lots of hands-on experiences with children. If you are convinced that teaching is for you, we'd love for you to choose a degree within the College of Education. We look forward to sharing more about our programs and answering your questions, and we thank you for listening.